Hi, my name's Simon Chesterman. I'm Dean of the National University of Singapore Faculty of Law. Like most of you, however, I'm stuck at home right now, not able to get to my beautiful Bukit Timah campus on the edge of the Botanic Gardens, Singapore's only World Heritage listed site. And like you, I'm also trying to make the most of it. But among other things, I've been thinking about this crisis and the way in which it exposes sort of competing tensions that are operating on us at the same time. The first is that we're all being revealed to share a lot of things in common, that we're all sharing biological functions, we're all sharing the exposure to this virus, and many of us are experiencing similar ways to try and combat the virus, either through reducing its spread, through social distancing or safe distancing, or combat it through various trials that are underway. And so in that sense, we're all in the same boat, we're all operating in this as one humanity. But the competing tension, of course, is that we're doing so apart. Not only are we locked at home, this virus has led to an unprecedented reversal, hopefully temporary, of globalization. Not only has the global movement of people essentially stopped, it's caused great difficulty in terms of global supply chains and major economic consequences that are flowing on from that. So to me, the danger is that we won't learn from this experience, that we won't capitalize on the possibilities that it creates, which are when we come out of the crisis, and we will come out of the crisis, we have an opportunity to rethink those things that we long taken for granted. Globalization, the ability to travel, the ability to communicate. And that really makes organizations like the International Association of Law Schools even more important. This year, as you know, we have waived membership because we're not able to meet physically, but that doesn't mean we can't collaborate. That doesn't mean we can't interact. That doesn't mean we can't share. And so like other members of the board, I'm taking this opportunity to reach out to you, our partners in this organization, to say that, number one, we're experiencing similar things to you, but secondly, we're trying to work out ways in which we can be helpful. And so there will be no physical meetings for 2020, but there will be online forums, there will be opportunities to collaborate, there will be ways in which our various faculties and our various faculty members can explore the possibilities of working together. And I know that doesn't always come naturally, it doesn't always come easily to many of our law school partners, but I hope you will take advantage of these opportunities and explore ways in which we can share information about online learning. We can share ways in which we're overcoming the barriers to research, those people who can't do field work and so on. And most importantly, share a kind of solidarity that all of us are facing difficulties, whether they're personal, medical, financial, and so on, but that we're all in this together. And even though we are essentially addressing this crisis by staying apart, we can do so in solidarity with one another. So from my home to yours, I look forward to seeing many of you at meetings in 2021. But until then, stay well, stay safe, keep washing your hands, wear a mask if you must, but don't give up. And I look forward to exploring other ways to interact between now and 2021, including through online forums and other mechanisms. So all the best from Singapore. Have a good day, evening, or morning.